Here is the first question on your screen. In the following figure, it is given that AB is parallel to CD. Angle BAO is equal to 108 degrees. And angle OCD is equal to 120 degrees. We have to find the measure of angle AOC. Okay, there are two methods to solve this problem.
So can we first try it?
Yeah. Okay. Are you trying? Are you both trying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In what way you are trying? Arnav?
Sir, solving the question.
Yeah, in what way? How did you start the solution?
Sir, I think C is the answer.
See, 72 degrees.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Let me check it. Sorry, sir. D.
How?
So first I draw, sir, a line segment PT, which is perpendicular to AB and CT, passing through O.
Perpendicular.
Parallel to AB and CD, passing
Okay.
through O.
Okay. That's great. Now, this angle measure you take as A and this angle measure you take as B. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, A plus 108 will be 180 degrees because if lines are parallel, co-interior angles are supplementary. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So A plus 108 is equal to 180. You will get the value of A as 72 degrees. So A plus 108 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So A is equal to 180 degrees minus 108 degrees, which is equal to 72 degrees. In the same way, B plus 120 will be 180 by co-interior angles. Now B is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which is equal to 60 degrees. Now angle AOC is equal to A plus B. And what is the value of A we got? 72 degrees. And what is the value of B we got? 60 degrees. So 72 plus 60 is 132 degrees. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. See, this is the question, multiple choice question. If you solve in this way, in how many minutes you can expect this answer? 1 minute, right?
Sir, 10 seconds.
Huh? This is all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 10 seconds. Then I will tell you a super trick. By using this trick, you will get the answer in 3 seconds. Shall I?
Okay, sir.
That's very simple. This angle will be equal to 360 degrees minus the sum of these two angles. What will be the sum of those two angles? Can you please tell me? 108 plus 120. It is 228, right?
228.
Subtract this from 360.
132.
Wow. The answer is there on your screen. It's D, 132. It's take hardly 3 to 4 seconds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then the point arises. How did you get the answer 360 minus the sum of these two will be equal to angle AOC, sir? Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So we will use the formula, sir, that angle OCD equals to angle POC equals to 120 degree, which is co-interior angles.
No.
Co
Alternate.
alternate interior angles.
Yeah, this angle will be 120, this angle will be 108, and the sum of the angles around a point is 360. So 108 plus 120 is 228, and this A plus B will be nothing but 360 minus 360 minus the sum of these two angles, which is nothing but 132 degrees. Okay, that's fine. I hope you have done this question, right? Shall we move on to the other question? Shall we move on to the other question?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. Yeah. Here in figure, if P is the transversal to lines Q and R, Q is parallel to R, and the angles 1 and 2 are in the ratio 3:2. Then the angles 1, 2, 5, and 8 are what? What are the measures? Okay, basically, what we have to do is angle 1 and angle 2 are in the ratio 3:2, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So angle 1 is to angle 2 is equal to 3:2. It is given. So let us suppose that angle 1 is 3x, angle 2 is 2x. But they form a linear pair according to the question, right? Guys? Yes. So their sum will be equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Since linear pair. Now what is angle 1? 3x. What is angle 2? 2x is equal to 180 degrees. So 5x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 degrees upon 5. What is the value of 180 degrees upon 5?
36.
Absolutely right. 36 degrees. So what will be the measure of angle 1? 3x, which is nothing but 3 into 36 degrees, which is equal to 108 degrees. Can you tell me what will be the measure of angle 2? It is 2x. And substituting the value of x with 36, 2 into 36. What is the value of 2 into 36?
For 72.
72. Now angle 1 is 108. Angle 2 is 72 degrees. In the option we have B is the correct answer. Because 108, 72 is there. So then the other two angles will be 108 and 72. Why? Because angle 1 and angle 5 are equal to each other as they are corresponding angles. So 1 is 108. So 5 will also be 108. And 2 and 8 are equal to each other because they are alternate exterior angles. So angle 2 measure is 72. So 8 will also be 72. So what is the option? Correct one?
B.
That's B. Please make a note of this. Or you just take a screenshot. We will move to the other question. Come on, make it fast. I hope it is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this point, you write angle 1 is equal to angle 5, which is equal to 108 degrees. In the bracket, write down corresponding angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 108 degrees in the bracket. Since corresponding angles, next line, angle 2 is equal to angle 8, which is equal to 72 degrees. In the bracket, write down alternate exterior angles. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Okay. Now coming to the third example. In the figure, A is greater than B. Okay. So obviously, A plus B will be equal to 180 degrees because straight angle, right? Now what's the question? A is greater than B by 1/3 of a right angle. Okay. 1/3 of right angle will be equal to what, Nana? 1/3 of 90 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now A is greater than B by 1/3 of right angle. So what we can expect? A is equal to B plus 30 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Now let us substitute the value of A in equation 1. What do we get? Substituting the value of A in equation 1, we get B plus 30 degrees plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Now from here solve B and get the value of A.
Sir, A is 105.
Okay. 2B plus 30 is equal to 180. So 2B will be equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is equal to 150 degrees. So 2B is equal to 150. So B is equal to 150 upon 2, which is nothing but 75 degrees. So B is equal to 75. So what is A? 75 plus 30, which is 105. A is equal to B plus 30 degrees. 75 degrees plus 30 degrees, which is equal to 105 degrees. The option A is the correct answer. Hope you understood, guys.
Yes, sir.
Bhumika, what about you, Nana? Bhumika. Okay, very good. Next, let us move on to the next question. Okay. In the following figure, PQ is an incident ray and QR is the reflected ray. If angle PQR is equal to 124 degrees, then what is the measure of angle RQB? Okay. Can you guess the answer?
So 28.
How?
So we know that incident ray equals to the reflected ray.
That's absolutely right.
Sir, so the angle formed by the incident ray with the normal will also be equal to the sir,
Yes, you are
with the
absolutely
reflected
right.
ray.
You are absolutely right. So here what we can take is angle PQA is equal to angle RQB. Angle PQA is equal to angle RQB. By using that
Yes,
concept,
sir.
let us see.
X plus 124 plus x equals to 180 degree.
Right, absolutely right. Angle PQA is equal to angle RQB. In the bracket, we will write AOI is equal to AOR. Means angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. So let us name it as x degrees. So according to the question, what do we get? X plus 124 plus x will be equal to 180 degrees. Now 2x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 124, which is equal to 56 degrees. So 2x is equal to 56 degrees, x is equal to 28 degrees, and x is nothing but angle PQA as well as angle RQB. Now according to the question, what is angle RQB? Which is nothing but 28 degrees. I hope you all understood, my dear children.
Yes, sir.
Bhumika, it is 28 degrees, Nana, not 56. I hope you understood. That's great. Now let's move on to the other question. Here there is one printing error. At the place of angle B, the measure should be given 75 degrees, Nana. It's not printed. Let's take the angular 75 degrees and then find the value of y in the question.
Sir, and what is x?
X. X will be at the place of EFC. It is like this now. This is x. This is y. And that is given as 25. And this will be 75. Now x will be x plus 25 is equal to 180 now. X plus 25 will be equal to 180. Then what is the value of x? One 180 minus 25. 155. Okay. Now this angle will be equal to y plus 25. Am I right? Guys, Arnav, Arnav.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then why are you not speaking? Y plus 25 degrees is equal to 75 degrees. Why? Since alternate interior angles. So y will be equal to 75 minus 25, which is nothing but 50. Now x plus y is equal to 155 degrees plus 50 degrees, which is equal to 205 degrees. I hope it's correct. Yeah, option D is the correct answer. Oh, there are so many questions. 4 questions are left. Okay. Okay, did you copy this, Arnav?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Now, Let's move on to the class exercise. In the given below figure, lines EF and GH are parallel. Then the value of X for which lines AB and CD will be parallel. That's very simple. If you treat angle PRS is equal to 4x, if you treat angle PRS is equal to 4s, why 4x? Why? Because vertically opposite angles, na? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So then it will be equal to angle GQB.
1 minute, 1 minute. Angle PQS will be equal to that 3x plus 5. No. Wait. Angle PQS will be equal to 4x we will take. Why? If you take PQSR as a parallelogram, okay na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then the opposite angles are equal to each other. So angle Q must be equal to angle R. And we got the value of R as 4x. Now Q will also be 4x. Now Q plus the exterior angle Q must be equal to 180 because they form a linear pair. Am I right? Yes. So
Yes,
4x,
sir. So it will be equal to 180 degree.
yeah, 4x plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees you take and find the value of x from here. What we will get? 7x is equal to 180 minus 5, that is 175, and x is equal to 175 upon 7. 175 upon 7 is nothing but 25. So for what value of x the lines will be parallel? For x is equal to 25, the lines will be parallel. Otherwise, no question at all. Okay, na? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question, let's see. More 3 minutes are there. Okay. In the following figure, PQ is parallel to RS and they cut XY and ZY at the points E, F and G, H respectively. Angle XEQ is equal to 80 degrees. Okay. Angle YHS is equal to 120 degrees. Angle XYZ is equal to A. Find the value of A. Can you please try that?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, D.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. So option 20, yeah? How did you
Yes,
get
sir.
that at D20? Can you please tell me?
Sir, angle XEQ will be equal to angle XGS. Sir, as it is a corresponding angle.
Yeah. You are right. So that will be 80. Next.
Sir, then
The inverse angle
RS
will be
will
100
be
degrees because linear pair.
linear pair.
Ah.
Sir, similarly, sir, then angle YHG would be 120 minus 180.
No. It doesn't. You need not to do that. Once you get a y, once you got YGH as 80, you can use exterior angle property. Na. Exterior
Yes,
angle of
sir.
a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So G angle is 80. 80 plus A is equal to, no. G is 100, right? So G is 100. 100 plus A is equal to 120, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So then A will be 120 minus 100.
that's it. You can do it in the easiest way. So once you got corresponding angles are equal, so EGH is 80, then YGH by using linear pair, you will get 100. Now, A plus 100 is equal to 120 because exterior angle property of triangle YGH. So what is A? 120 minus 100, which is nothing but 20 degrees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today we have discussed about the parallel lines, about the properties of parallel lines, about the properties of straight lines, and different types of angles and their definitions we have discussed today. And we have done few questions of MCQs, as well as in class exercise we have done 3 questions, but we did not do 2 questions. These 2 questions we will do in the next class, in the upcoming class, and we will continue with the session 3, whatever is being given by our UPrep management. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you all understood the class for today, what I have taken. So please revise the notes which has been given by our management and just to do the homework problem so that you will not you will not deviate from the concept. Hope you are clear with all the concepts which have been taught for today. Any
Yes,
doubts in
sir.
this class? Any doubts in this class?
No, sir.
Okay, so you are very clear with the concepts, and I hope you all enjoyed the session. Let's be energetic, and I found that you both are very energetic here. I love to teach you. Thank you very much, guys. Stay home, be safe, and follow SMS. Goodbye for today. You can
Thank you,
use the
sir.
class.
Good night.
Right. Thank you, beta.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Yeah, Bhumika, you can leave the class. Right. Thank you. Are you sure you want to pause the meeting? You can selecting the recording button.